Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful hat or the beanie for child size. Using this pattern you can crochet any size of this project, which is very easy and beautiful. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. And for this hat I have used only 80 grams of yarn, that's 100% acrylic DK weight yarn. You can crochet this hat within 2 hours, so it is very quick and easy. So without further delay, let's start our project. For this project I have taken here purple color yarn. This is DK weight acrylic yarn, two size of hooks. This is 3 mm and the another one is 4 mm, a measuring tape. We'll start this project with the slip knot, and for the brim I'm going to use 3 mm hook size. So let's do the slip knot, and then we are going to make chain 1, 2. Here I have made 100 chains, that is multiples of 2. Now we are going to do the slip stitch into the very first stitch to join this. Pull this through the loops. Now let's make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, yarn over into the very first stitch. We are going to make a double crochet, yarn over, pull through first 2 and the second 2, yarn over into the next inside the hook and pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2, again yarn over inside the hook into this, make a double crochet. Throughout this round we are going to make a double crochet. At the end we will have 100 double crochet stitches. Here we got 100 double crochet stitches. Now let's do the slip stitch into the very first double crochet, that's over here, and then again chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. This is our first double crochet, so let's make into this front post double crochet 1, and then this is our next double crochet. We'll do the back post, yarn over inside the hook like this, 1 back post, again a front post and then a back post, again into this we'll do a front post, then a back post. Same like this we are going to repeat till the end of this row, 1 front post and 1 back post double crochet. We started with the front post double crochet, now finish with the back post double crochet. Now we'll do the slip stitch. For that, inside the hook into the front post double crochet, and then we'll make a slip stitch. This is our first row. Now we are going to make again the chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over into the front post. We'll make 1 front post, and into the back post we'll make 1 back post. Again into the front, 1 front post, yarn over into the back post, 1 back post. So we are going to continue 3 more rounds with the same pattern, into the front post, and the back post, double crochet. So here we have finished 5 rounds of the same pattern, and we got finished the brim for the hat, and it measures 9 inches, so we can stretch up to 10 inches. Totally we got the head circumferences for the hat at is 20 inches. This is the child size, or for the adult also, if it is small size we can use this hat for the adult as well. Now let's do the slip stitch into this, and then I'm going to change the hook. Here we have the hook number 4. Now I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 chains and yarn over. This is our front post double crochet. Let's make a front post double crochet and then yarn over. This is our back post. Here I'm going to make a normal double crochet, yarn over, Next is a front post. Let's make one front post double crochet, and then into the next, this is a back post, so we are going to make a normal double crochet. So we are going to follow the same sequence till the end of this row. Front post double crochet and the normal double crochet, front post double crochet and the normal double crochet. Here is the last one. We'll do the double crochet into this back post double crochet, one normal double crochet, and here under this front post we'll make a slip stitch. Again chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over. Here we have the front post double crochet, and this is the normal front post normal. In this stitch we are going to make a normal double crochet into the same stitch, a normal double crochet into the same stitch. Again yarn over. Into the normal double crochet we'll make a front post double crochet, yarn over. This is the front post double crochet in the previous round, so we are going to make a normal double crochet, and then here is a normal double crochet in the previous round. We are going to make a front post double crochet, yarn over. This is a front post double crochet. We are going to make normal double crochet. The normal double crochet will make a front post double crochet. Now into the last stitch, it's a back post, so we are going to make the front post in this, and we'll do the slip stitch into the very first double crochet on the top of this inside the hook, and we'll make a slip stitch. Now again we'll make 3 chain 1 2 3. In the previous round we did here normal double crochet, so we are going to make in this a front post double crochet, and here this was the front post. I'm going to make normal double crochet, and this was the normal double crochet, so I'm going to make the front post double crochet. So same like this I'm going to continue throughout this round, and we will continue the same pattern till we get our desired height for our project. When we in the previous round we did the front post, there we did the normal double crochet. Where we did the normal double crochet, here we are doing the front post double crochet. Here I have finished the repetition round. Now our project looks like this. It measures total 9 inches height we have here. Now we are going to do the decreasing part. So for that, here in the previous row I did the first stitch as a front post double crochet. Now let's make 3 chain 1 2 3, yarn over. This is a front post double crochet. Let's insert the hook into this, pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over. Let's skip this first double crochet. Again here we have the front post, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through the first 2, and again yarn over, pull through the all these loops. Again yarn over. Into the next we have the normal double crochet. So let's make a double crochet into this. We are not going to close, yarn over. On the next we have front post. Let's skip this into the normal. Let's insert the hook and pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 2, again yarn over, pull through. So we did 1 degree with the normal double crochet. Now yarn over. Let's skip this normal double crochet. We'll insert the hook into this front post, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, skip the normal, again into the front post double crochet, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. So it's a degrees, yarn over. Now let's take this normal double crochet, insert the hook, and we'll make a normal double crochet, but we will not close, yarn over. Next we have the front post. Let's keep this and into the normal again. Let's take this and we will do a decrease. Now skip the next, we'll choose the front post, and then we will skip the next and the yarn over. Into the front post we'll make 1 decrease. Now yarn over. This is the normal. Let's insert the hook into this normal and then yarn over. Let's skip this front post into the normal again. we'll make a degrees. So same like this, we are going to do the degrees till the end of this row. Now we'll do the slip stitch into the very first stitch. Now after leaving a little longer yarn, I have snipped off the excess yarns. Using this needle, I'm going to close this hole. So let's insert this, and then we are going to pass this needle in and out throughout this round. Now our project is ready. The hat is ready. We are going to attach a small pom-pom on it. To make the pom-pom, I'll give the link below in the description box. You can just watch it. And I'm going to attach on it. So here our project is ready. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.